SpaceX's Starship launcher spun out of control minutes after liftoff Thursday, showering fiery debris over the Bahamas. 33 Raptor engines propelled the 404-foot-tall, 123.1-meter rocket. SpaceX is now 3-4-3 with attempts to catch a Super Heavy booster back at the launch site. The rocket's booster separated from the Starship upper stage roughly 2.5 minutes into the flight. SpaceX is modernizing its fleet with Starship Block 2. The company started the year aiming for as many as 25 Starship test flights in 2025, but will end the first quarter of the year with just 2. SpaceX has contracts with NASA worth approximately $4 billion to design and develop a human-rated moonlander based on the Starship design. Musk sees Starship as the interplanetary backbone for transporting cargo and people to Mars. Starship will also launch SpaceX's next-generation Starlink internet satellites. SpaceX oversees Starship using an iterative development cycle. Engineers come up with new designs, rapidly test them, and then incorporate lessons learned into the next rocket. The test flight was supposed to be a do-over of the previous Starship flight on January 16. The rocket's upper stages succumbed to fires fueled by leaking propellants in its engine bay. Engineers determined the most engineers test-fired the Starship vehicle earlier this month for this week's test flight. The Raptor engines began shutting down on Starship about 8 minutes into the flight. SpaceX ground controllers lost all contact with the rocket. About 9 residents and tourists across the Florida Peninsula, the Bahamas, and the Turks and Caicos Islands shared videos of fiery debris trails appearing in the twilight sky. Air traffic controllers diverted or delayed dozens of commercial airline flights flying through the debris footprint. A spokesperson for the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration said the regulatory agency will require SpaceX to perform